Model, 2011 Peugeot Partner L1 Diesel 850S 1.6 HDi 90 van body, white, panel van mileage, 161318 MOT, 1 February 2024 engine, 1560 cc DV6 ATED4, E4 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is quite rough. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £2,675. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.